Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid. You know what time it is, it's cafecito time, so stick around for another review of the Nespresso Reviving Origins capsules. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Veronica and I make videos on coffee recipes, coffee reviews, coffee adventures, and everything from the wonderful world of coffee. I do a lot of Nespresso related videos and content, but you know, I like to mix it up and add some other coffees here and there. But today we're going to talk about the new released coffees from Nespresso from the Reviving Origins collection. And I read up, if you watch my other video, I wasn't too prepared, but I read up a little bit. And basically these coffees are from coffee regions that were very popular, and either because of political reasons, climate reasons, for whatever reasons, they started to not produce coffees, or the coffee fields were lost. Something happened, and Nespresso is helping these coffee farmers bring back their coffees. So basically that's why it's called Reviving Origins, because they're trying to revive the coffee growing in these specific countries. And the one we're going to review today, there's 4 of them. You can watch my other videos to get more information. The one we're going to review today is called Reviving Origins Esperanza De Colombia. So we have Nespresso for the original line. This one is, they recommend making it as, well, we'll get there. So Reviving Origins for original line, Esperanza De Colombia. Reviving Origins for Vertuo line, Esperanza De Colombia. That's what the box looks like. Okay. And that's what this one looks like. Okay, let's open it. My machines are on. No, they're not. This one is. Okay, so this one is an espresso shot, and this one is a full cup of coffee. So I'm kind of curious to see what it's going to taste like. 7.7 ounces. And it says 50 years of conflict in Colombia, in the Colombian region of Caqueta, has forced farmers to abandon their lands. So this is, you know, different reasons why some of these coffees haven't been farmed in a while. So forced to abandon their lands, but a renewed peace has finally given rise to thriving new era for the local coffee. Since the signing of the peace agreement in 2016, Nespresso's Reviving Origin program has worked to support thousands of farmers to provide them with tools, processing equipment, and expertise. The results didn't wait long. Esperanza De Colombia is a rich and balanced Arabica with fine acidity and delicate flutter of fruit. Every year, we'll aim to bring you more of the delicious cup, benefiting and empowering the Caqueta farmers. Nice. Every cup you enjoy is helping us contribute to the equipment, training, and resources farming communities need for a better future. So make every cup meaningful and taste what coffee can do. The origin, this is a single origin from the Caqueta region in the Republic of Colombia. Let's see. Aromatic profile, round and beautifully balanced. The coffee roast, aromatic bouquet of yellow fruits with a delicate hint of cereal notes. Okay. From the Master Origins collection, the Colombia is one of my favorites, so I think I might like this one. So this is what it looks like. Colombia. Yeah, and it seems like all the Reviving Origins capsules are black, and then just the name of it on the capsule. It doesn't have the print like the box does, which would have been nice. But okay, so that's the coffee one. And this one is the original, and then we discovered that these boxes get opened up here in the front. Okay, original. Esperanza De Colombia. This is an Nespresso. And the original line is $110 per, so it is $11 for the box, and the Vertuo is $120, so $12 for the box. So there is a little bit of a difference. So it opens like this. The capsule for the original looks like that. Same color scheme, has the name on there. Let's see, this one, and they're both intensity 5, and they recommend using it as an espresso or lungo. Yellow fruit cereal, same notes. Pretty much it's the same except the amount. So this is a coffee, 7.7 ounces. This is an espresso, 1.35. Yes, 1.35 ounces. So, like I said, we're not perfect here. So, okay, we're going to do that. And we're going to do that. Brew. I'm going to brew this one first because it takes longer since it's a coffee. And then I'm going to brew the espresso shots. But I'm excited for these. Like I said, the Master Origins Colombia is one of my favorites. I have some, so I'm excited to try this one. I'm sure the profile is a little bit different, but coffees from Colombia usually tend to be really, really good, or some of my favorites. Let me know which one are your favorites. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Don't forget I have that little giveaway going on. If you haven't watched my other video, I do have the giveaway going on. So basically, I'm giving away a Starbucks cold cup that changes color and a 50th anniversary hot cup. And I'm going to put in capsules. So if you have a Vertuo machine, let me know and I'll give you some of my little capsules here that I have, and I'm going to share for Vertuo and for the original. And let me know if you would like to win the cold cup. You put giveaway cold in the comments. If you would like to win the hot cup, you put giveaway hot. And then depending if you have an original machine or a Vertuo machine, I will surprise you with some capsules. That's it. And it's going to be random, so you have to comment on all the videos if you want to win. You want to have more chances of winning, then you'll have to watch all my videos and comment on all my videos that I make about the Reviving Origins. Okay? Okay. And I'll put all the details in the description, so in case you're a little confused and not sure what to do. Okay, so now we're going to brew the espresso. So a lot of crema, which I like. I know not everyone likes the crema in the coffees. Some cremas are a little bitter, but I just scoop it out. If it's too much, I just scoop it out. But I like it because when you mix it with cream, half and half or whatever creamer, it gives it a very like rich flavor. And here is the espresso. Okay, so I don't know which one I should try first. Let's do the coffee first. Okay, coffee. I'm not getting too much of the fruity notes, but let me mix it up. See if that makes a difference. Okay, I do get some of the cereal notes. It's not super strong. I like the Colombia because it's a good balance of coffee that's not too light but not too strong. I like it. Espresso. Okay, the espresso is definitely a little more bold. Ooh. So, I do taste the difference. And like I said in my other video with the Zimbabwe, if you haven't watched it, I won't spoil it for you, but go watch the Reviving Origins Zimbabwe. Both of those capsules were espresso for both machines. These are not. So a little water to cleanse my palate. Okay, the coffee is good. I really like it, but it's definitely not as strong and bold and like concentrate as the espresso shot. Okay, a little, and this is the cup, you guys, if you want to win it. And when it gets cold, it changes color. I just use it for my water. Okay. So it says it's yellow fruits and cereal. I definitely taste those notes more in the coffee capsule than I do in the espresso. They're both really good. But if I had to choose between these two, which one I like better, I think I like the coffee better. I think I like the Esperanza De Colombia as a coffee. More so than an espresso shot. The espresso is good. You know, definitely make yourself a latte, a cappuccino, Americano, you know, anything you like. But I like having a good, robust, you know, cup of coffee. This is definitely something that I will have in the mornings, and it'll just help me start my day off. Because it's pretty good. It's not, like I said, not super strong and bold, but not too light and weak. It's very balanced. I don't know. It's just really good. Like I said, Master Origins Colombia is one of my favorites. So I was kind of pretty sure I was going to like this one. Yeah. It doesn't really give you tips as far as how to drink it. But yeah, you know, add your little creamer, half and half. I mostly drink my coffees just with half and half, no sugar, unless I want like a special, then I'll add, you know, a syrup or sauce or something. But you know what? Even black, I'm drinking it right now without the coffee, without any creamer, just black, and it's really good. I could see myself being able to drink this black. So you guys, both of these are really good. As far as the one I would have to pick, if I could only choose one and buy one, I would pick the Vertuo. This round, the Vertuo is the winner for me. Vertuo Esperanza De Colombia coffee capsule, 2 thumbs up from me. If you like these videos, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notifications so you know when our videos are uploaded, Wednesdays and Sundays for now. And yeah, I'll go ahead and pick a winner at random for the giveaway. So make sure you watch all the videos and comment on all the videos, because if I could pick somebody from this video, I could pick someone from the other video or the previous video. So the more you watch, the more you comment, the better chances you have of winning. So that's it. Let me know if you guys have tried these coffees. Which one do you prefer? Which one did you like better? Yeah, let's chat. Let's chat. Some cafecito in the comments, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks everyone for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy my cafecito. Okay, talk to you guys later.